This is the campus of the University of Bayreuth, and down there things are hotting up since one of those buildings, a regular meeting of the Secretariat of the BayMauk 2019 conference takes place, and we are part of it. Today the different departments are sitting together, planning, discussing and keeping each other up to date. They are all students. Next to their studies, they are following one goal, making this year's BayMauk conference a huge success. This is Ole, chairperson of this year's Secretariat, and he is going to explain the aim of the conference.
The Model African Union Conference is a simulation conference of the African Union in which the delegates, the participants of the conference, will represent one of the African countries in one of the three committees. However, the conference is not limited to the simulation of the African Union, but there will be a rich framework program full of cultural and informative activities like dancing workshops, informative workshops about current topics on the African continent. This event offers the chance to broaden one's horizon and to obtain in-depth knowledge about the African continent.
Zra is a member of the management board and he's presenting to us the highlights of the BayMauk 19 conference.
This year's conference will be organized under the theme Africa in Motions, Visions of Mobility, Identities and Citizenship, including some relevant topic for present and futures, policies, protests and innovation. We are going to have panel discussion on the topic Decolonizing Knowledge Systems in Africa, in which people such as activists and politicians will take part.
What are you still waiting for? Apply now as a delegate for the conference. Everything you need is motivation and good spirits. This is the only conference of its type in Germany. Apply and take part as a delegate of an African country. Unique experiences, great atmosphere, catering and most of all, fun awaits you in Bayreuth this June. If you can't believe it, here is some photographic evidence.